Hello everyone, welcome to AriserTalent, which is a fastest growing e-learning educational platform students. Right, we are having all subject video lectures in online and offline mode from the Kota's best faculties. Right, so you can visit our website www.arisertalent.com. Okay students, now coming to our topic, we were discussing what linear equation in two variables, and in that we were reading specific methods for that. Okay, so we have discussed first method, and for the second one, right, we are here solving this question after discussing the method. Okay students, so this is the equation we are having: 2 by x plus 2y plus 6 by 2x minus y equals to 1. And the second equation was 5 by 2 x plus 2y again plus 1 by 3 again 2x minus y equals to 1. So we identified the pattern here that we are having this 1 upon x plus 2y, 1 upon 2x minus y common here and here. So what will we do now? Okay, just having this question, and we'll just substitute this as v and this is as u. How? Let's have a look. Given equations are what, students? Given equations are 2 upon x plus 2y plus 6 upon 2x, that is 2x minus y equals to 4, and 5 by 2 x plus 2y plus 1 by 3 2x minus y equals to 4. Now students, what will we do? We are going to put this 1 upon x plus 2y equals to u, and this equals to v. Okay, so put 1 upon x plus 2y. Now name these equations. And no, this is not 4, this is 1 here, right? Okay. So correct me. Okay, so now 1 upon x plus 2y, students, it is u, and 1 upon 2x minus y, this is v. Now if I put these equations, these values in the equation, that should look like u, not 4. Okay, so here it will be 2u plus 6v equals to 4, which is my third equation. Can I name that? Okay, now if I am talking about this, that will be 5 by 2u and 1 by 3 v equals to 1. This is the fourth equation. Students, now we know that what we have to do, we just have to convert the coefficient of these equal, either of this v or either of this u. Now can I convert this in 6? Because here we are having 6v. So can I convert in 6? How? Now 3 here, so I can have 18 here. 18 by 3 is what? 6. So I'll be having 6 here. 4, having 18 here, I have to multiply the complete equation by 18, and we have learned that if I multiply the complete equation, both the LHS and RHS side, RHS and LHS side is included in the word. So that will become what? 18 by 3v. That will reduce to 6v, and that's what I want. So I'm not writing this equation 4, but I will multiply it by 18. Now if I multiply it by 18, that will become this u, and 18 by 3 is 6v. 6v equals to 18, and this is equation 4. Now students, what will I do? You have noted it now? Note this because I am going to rub it from here. Okay. So, rubbing this from here. Now, what will do? Add or subtract? Same signs. So, I'll subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. So, this will cancel out. 6v minus 6v. Now, 2u and minus of 5 multiplied by 18 by 2u. So, can I write it here? 2u minus 5 multiplied by 18 by 2u equals to 4 minus 18. 4 minus 18 is minus 14. Okay. Sorry. So, students, come this side, that will be 4u. Here, if I will take the LCM, 4u minus 5 into 18 by u upon 2 equals to minus of 14. So, what will it become? 4, 9. And this of plus I am writing minus 4u by u equals to 14, right. So, that will become 86u equals to 14 by 2, or can I write 86 here, right. So, that will become u equals to 28 by 86. Okay. Have I done correct? That will be 28, right, 28, and minus will cut. Okay. In that manner, we are having this u equals to say 28 by 86, or can I write it 14 by 43, 14 by 43. So, u equals to 14 by 43, right. This is one. If u equals to 14 by 43, my dear students, then I am having this small equation here, 2u plus 6v equals to 4. If 2u plus 6v equals to 4, then put the value of u in equation. This is equation, students, third. This is equation third. So, if I have this value u equals to 14 by 43, in this equation I will get 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 43 plus 6v equals to 4. So, v will be equals to this 4 here, minus of this complete, minus 2 multiplied by 14 upon 43. Now, complete divided by 6. Okay, students. Now, when we will calculate this, we will having some value. Okay. So, if you have noted this side, I will rub this. Okay. Now, if I will solve this again, I will find out that v equals to, that is 43 by 4 minus 2, right, it is 6v, let us suppose. Now, 2 multiplied by 14 complete by 43, right, students. Now, that will be 43 multiplied by 6. Now, that is 12, 1, 16 and 17 minus 28. Okay, that will become, that is 172 minus 28, 4 and 4. So, 44 here, right, and 43 by 6, 258 here, right, 258 here. So, can I just reduce it to 22 by 1 here, 2 here and 9 here, right. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 2 and 2, 4. So, V equals to 22 upon 129, right students? Note this. Okay, now you have value of V, right, and your value of U. Now you have value of V and the value of U here. Now students, you can have this equation that you have reduced that. Okay, so value of U and V. Now what is the value of U? U was equals to 1 upon x plus 2y. See, in the starting of your question, you assumed U equals to 1 upon x plus 2y and V equals to 1 upon 2x minus y. Now value of U is equals to 14 by 43. Now value of V here is 22 by 129. Now student, what it give you? It will give you two equations, namely on what equation we will be? Let's suppose capital N, capital V. Okay, so we are having these equations, U, or forget these U's, right? This equals to this and this equals to this. Now students, you can just cross multiply these equations and get two equations. So, we'll continue that in that part. That was U and that was V. So, here students, can I have this value 43 equals to 14x plus 28y, and this equation 129 equals to 44x minus 22y. Now students, these are two basic equations that we can solve, right, in x and y term. Now we don't have to have any value in form of other, we are having simply this value and this value. We can just do what? Do one thing, we can just equate these coefficients and follow the procedure. From there, you will get the value of x and y, that will be approx 1.6 and 1.3, right? So, calculate these students, this is the answer for this. So, you have to do it on your own because we have discussed this kind of equation before also. Okay, so note it, this is the pattern. What you have done, just I am going to remind you, you have assumed because these two values are equals to these two values. So, what we did, we assumed this as U, this as U, this as V, this as V, right, and we then find out the value of U and V and then converted that in this x and y format. Okay students? Right. Okay students, so practice this. This is about today, and if you find any difficulty in subjects like other than mathematics, like social study, right, and other than mathematics, biology, chemistry, right, your science, social science, all these subjects, you can visit our website www.AriserTalent.com, and you can have, if you're planning for higher classes to study, we also provided material for JEE and NEET classes students. So, visit this website and hope for your bright future. Signing off. Thank you.